Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some more with our teen numbers today, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna need your 6.5 from our February packet. And it also has the other side with the tens frame. And we're gonna play a game with that in just a minute, and I'm gonna show you how to do that, okay? So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need something to write with, and I put my game inside of my sheet protector so that way I can play the game, and so I got my dry erase markers. And you're also gonna need some counters. You can use whatever counters you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do this side first, okay? And we have to make 10. So it gives us a number, and we're gonna have to make that 10, or we're gonna have to make the 14. We're gonna have to make the 12, the 13, the 11, and the 14. So we have to pick two numbers that make that number, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get my marker, and we have to make a 10. So what two numbers, a 10, a 2, and a 0, would make 10? Well, we have the number 10, so I guess I can get 10 counters, right? So let me get 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have 10. Okay, so now I have 10 counters to make the number 10. So I can just put a 10, couldn't I? Well, if I got two more, wouldn't that make 12? Yeah, 10, 11, 12. So I can't use that 2. Oh, if I have nothing, if I have 10 and I get nothing more, that still leaves me with 10, right? So to make 10, I'm going to need a 10 and a 0. Okay, so 10 and 0 make 10. All right, it's kind of like a number bond too, huh? If I go like this. Part, whole. Oh, look at that. All right, so now we need to make 14. Well, I already have 10 here. So we know that we're going to need 10, right? Because we've been working with that. So 10. So I'm going to go whoop. All right, what's the other number we need to make 14? 10 and 9 or 10 and 4? Well, if I get 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Does that match 14? Nope, so I can't use that. So I'm going to take away those 9. We don't need those 9. So now I still have my 10, and now it says 4. So let's get 4 more. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see if that's 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Doesn't it match that? It matches it. So I'm going to color my 4. So 10 and 4 make 14. Part, whole. All right, let's go ahead and go to this number. We need to make 12. Okay, so we already have our 10 counters here. So we have 10 here. So let's just color that 10, because we know that we need a 10 to be able to make that 12, right? So, and here we go. There's my part. All right, so part, there's my whole. So now we got to figure out what else I need to make 12. I wonder if I need 8 counters. So let me get 8 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Uh-oh. So 10 and 8 make 18, not 12. So let's take away those counters. All right, now we have a 2. So let me get 2 counters. 1, 2. So 10, 11, 12. So 10 and 2 make 12. So here we go. So 10 and 2 make 12. Or you can say 2 and 10 make 12. So there's our part, and our whole. All right, now we need to make 13. We know that we still need 10, right? So let's just color that 10 in. All right, so let's find out what we need to make 13. So we have 10, 10 and 6. Let me get 6 counters and see what that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, that makes 16, so it can't be 6. So 10 and 3 maybe? Let me take away those and let's leave 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Ah, there's my 13. So 10 and 3 make 13. So I'm going to draw my line. So 10 and 3 make 13. Part, whole. All right, let's look at this one. This is 11. We know that we need that 10, right? So let's just color that 10 because we know we need it. All right, now what number would make 11? 10 and 0. Let me take away all these counters. Well, 10, and I get no more. That's still 10, but I need 11. So I must need one more. Let's see. There's 10 and 11. So 10 and 1 make 11. And here's my part and my part, and it makes my whole. So 10 and 1 make 11. Part, whole. All right, we're going to come over here. Let's see what we need to make 14. All right, we got our 10 already, right? So we already know that part. So let's go ahead and do our first part. And now 10 and 4 make 14? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I have one counter here, so I need 4. So there's 1, 2, 3. Now we have 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and count it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, that's the number we want. We want 14, so we're going to color in our 4. We don't even have to try the other one because that would actually make 18, right? So let me go ahead and draw my line. So 10 and 4 make 14. Part, whole. All right, we're going to talk about it real quick. 10 and 0 make 10. 10 and 4 make 14. 2 and 10 make 12. 10 and 3 make 13. 10 and 1 make 11. 10 and 4 make 14. So good job, guys, making those numbers and using your tens and how many extra ones we needed to make that teen number. All right, I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to show you how to play this game, okay? It's called on and off 10 frame. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and fill in our tens frame, okay? So we know it's 10. All right, so you guys can fill it in. You can fill it in with counters. You can color on it if you have it in a sheet protector. So I'm going to go ahead and do 10 on here real quick. And I don't have to count it because I know that it's all full. It's 10. All right, so 10. And then I'm going to put my plus. And then guess what? I'm going to roll the dice. Let me see. 10. Woo! Oh, and I got a 4. So I'm going to go 10 and 4. So I need 4 more counters over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to equal, I wonder, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to put a 14 here. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. All right, so we did one of them. So now I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And if you want to, you can leave the 10 on and just keep doing it with 10s and practice it that way. Or you can do it like this. You can take all your counters off. All right, and I'm going to erase this 10. And let's see. I'm going to roll the dice. Here we go. Oh, we got a 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put 4 counters on. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'm going to put 4 there. All right, so I'm going to do 4 here. I'm going to put another plus here. I'm going to make it big. So I'm going to have a number that goes here. So here's 4. Let me roll my dice again. Oh, and now I got a 5. So I'm going to put a 5 here. All right, so 5 plus 4. So now I need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Ooh, 5 plus 4 is 9. I'm going to roll my dice one more time. Oh, it's another 5. So I'm going to put a 5 here. Oh, that means I need to get 5 more counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder what number this is. 5 plus 4 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Holy mackerel, we got 14 again. Oh my gosh, check that out. So I did it with 3 rolls. Oh my gosh, so I'm going to take off all this and I'm going to do it one more time with 3 more rolls just to have fun with it, okay? So I'm going to erase it. And let's get rid of this 14 because it's no longer 14. All right, let me roll it the first time. Let's see. Oh, it says roll again. Oh, roll again. Oh, finally 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here. So 2. 2 plus what? So let's go ahead and roll it again. A 3. Oh my gosh. So 3, 2 plus 3 plus. Let's do one more. Oh, 1. Let's find out what number we get. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I got a 2. So 2 counters, because I have a 2 here. Let's do 3 more counters. 1, 2, 3. So 3 counters matches that 3. And I need 1 more. So I'm going to get 1 more. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals, I don't know. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put a 6 here. Oh my gosh. Check that out, guys. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6. Oh my gosh. Now watch this. I can turn it into a teen number. I'm just going to go ahead and put a 16 here. Ooh, so now these have to change. So I'm going to erase this. I'm just going to erase that 1. So let's see. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hold on. I got to erase the other numbers, I guess, too, huh? Uh-oh, because that does not equal 16. So now I got to figure out how to make it go to 16. Huh. Let's see if I can make it go to 16. Well, I already have 6 there, and if I fill this in, now I have 10, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put a 10 here. So 10 plus, equals 16. So I need something here to make this, because it's 2 blank spots, to make this 16. So I have 10, but let's get to 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many more did I have to get to go right here? Let's see. There's 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had to get 6 more to make 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. There's all kinds of ways that you guys can play with this game, and I just want you to have fun with your numbers and adding numbers together. You can even do with it 3 numbers. You can do it with 4 numbers. You can do it with 5 numbers. It doesn't matter. Just have fun with it with adding, okay? Make sure it's a plus and putting it together. So have some fun, guys.